Hey, what's up guys? I got into a dirty project this last weekend working on the diesel F250. We're working on the exhaust, got a bunch of diesel soot and grime on my hands, and I know it's a pain in the butt to get off for a lot of you, so we're going to show you a quick and easy way that you can get any of that stuff off. Let's check it out. Here. Let me get some tire grease in there. Dirt. Let's go see if we can get it off. Alright, so we made it to the sink. I promised I'd show you guys a nice easy way to get this off. So here it is. We're going to take some grip clean. We're going to add a generous amount here because this is a good amount of grease here. Rub it into our hands. Get it all around. And we're going to add a little bit of water to activate it and really get it working. And there we have it. Two pretty clean hands. I think there's a couple spots that I missed that I think if I went in with the second wash would take care of that. But overall, clean hands and solve the problem.